Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're doing a quick demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Pro on a Mini Countryman. Obviously the kit does work on a wide range of vehicles, but right now it's a Mini Countryman that we are in. It has the check engine light, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port of the vehicle. I'm just going to go down and click on to the setup and just get rid of the beeping noise, because I find the beeping noise a little bit annoying when I'm going through the menu. Okay, so there is a couple of ways to get access to the engine fault codes on this one. The first one being the diagnostics section. That's where you'd mainly go in to get the the detail level of fault codes within any vehicle. You can see I'm just scrolling through really quick here, and it goes through all of these different manufacturers. But the quick way to do it is to go onto the check engine option here and just click on to enter. This will give us quick access to any engine fault codes and engine information. So it's giving us here MIL status is on, so the malfunction indicator light status is on, which we can see right there. Codes found 2. So if we click onto read codes, it's going to give us those fault codes. So we've got P0103, and that's a 1 of 2. Sorry about the this scuff here. So mass or volume airflow sensor A circuit high, that's a stored fault code. If we go to the next one, you'll find it's exactly the same, only this time it says pending. Nothing to worry about, but it does tell us that there is a mass airflow sensor which is at fault and needs to be replaced. So we have actually already changed the mass airflow sensor on this vehicle. So what we need to do now, in order to tell the ECU that we've done that, we just simply click onto the erase codes option. So if I do that, it tells us, sorry about the glare on the screen, emission related diagnostic information will be erased. Are you sure to continue? I'm going to click enter, and then it's telling us make sure ignition on with engine off. Press enter button to continue. So with this vehicle, I'm sure you can see down the left hand corner here, it is a push start button. So I'm just going to turn the engine off and then put the ignition back on to the stage where all of the warning lights come back on, and then I'm going to click enter. I'm trying to get this a bit closer so you can see. Talking to vehicle, please wait. Emission related diagnostic information has been erased. Check engine light is still on though. All we really need to do is just simply start the engine, which I'll do right now. And once that's started, we should see the check engine light turn off. There we go, check engine light has gone. Again, I'm sorry about the glare on the screen. The sun's come in all of a sudden. Or the clouds are covered, should I say. So yeah, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video, because as I say, there are fakes, there are clones on the market, so it really is important that you do get the genuine product for your vehicle. But I hope this video has helped and given you confidence that it will do the relevant resets in your Mini Countryman or any other vehicle really. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.